You guys, I am repotting this because these roots were coming out, these arrow roots. So I'm gonna try to replant it again deeper into this so that the roots don't stick out um and so that it doesn't die, because every time my previous ones have done that, I just like, I don't know, they just like don't survive. Or I guess it has to do also with the fact that I kind of lose like attention. But I did take these two out. I think I might have to take out maybe one or two more before I plant it and cover up all the aerial roots. So hopefully I can get it to be nice and snug and no more aerial roots will be visible, and we'll take it from there. This one has lasted a while, you guys. And if you guys remember, this one was actually a pup that I cut from the mother plant. I'll try to link the video down below of the one that I cut, of the plant that I did. The mother plant is kind of surviving. It has gotten smaller, but it actually grew two other pups on the side. So I'll make sure to link the video down below. And yeah. Okay, you guys, as you can see, it's nicely packed in there. I do need to get a little bit more soil for that. I don't know if you guys can see that little spot right there where there's like one root coming out. Isn't it pretty? I am taking care of some of my other plants today. I'm watering, I'm cutting off the dead parts. I might have to repot this one right here. And oh, and I gotta put the leaves that I took from here in the soil to propagate them. We'll see if like they like actually propagate. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the mother plant and how it looks right now. This spider plant is usually not here. I just wanted to give it some sun today. That's the mother plant. You see it has one, two, and then another one on the side. Look at that. This is the mother plant right here, and then the two pups are over here. So yeah. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hopefully I think I have to check if I have enough soil to replant this other one, but I think it should be good enough. Yeah, but make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.